Welcome. Today, we're diving into the future of electric cars and comparing the integrated version with the battery swap version, all from the perspective of used car prices. We'll explore how these different approaches impact the value of electric vehicles in the used car market. Stay tuned to discover the advantages and considerations when choosing between integrated and battery swap models in the world of used electric cars. Let's get started. As we all know, one common issue with integrated battery electric vehicles is the gradual degradation of battery performance over time. The capacity of an electric car battery gradually decreases over time due to charging cycles, typically starting at around 1500 to 2000 cycles. Electric vehicle manufacturers implement measures to extend battery life, such as energy management systems that prevent complete charging and discharging. Factors that can affect battery life include rapid charging, which generates heat and accelerates degradation, and excessive power draw from rapid acceleration. Let's say you have a BEV that initially offers a range of 300 miles. However, as the battery ages, its capacity diminishes, resulting in a reduced driving range. Over time, the range may decrease to 280, 270, or even 240 miles. This means that you'll need to recharge your vehicle more frequently to cover the same distance. Now, let's discuss Tesla's claim of its batteries lasting up to 1 million miles. While this may sound impressive, it's important to note that even if the battery can endure such high mileage, the actual driving range will still decrease as the battery ages. This means that although the battery might last, let's say, 100,000 miles more than an integrated battery, you'll still experience a reduced driving range and the need for more frequent charging. Temperature plays a crucial role in the performance of electric vehicle batteries. Deviating from the recommended range of 15 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius leads to a decline in battery efficiency. Cold temperatures impede ion conductivity and diffusion, resulting in slower charging. Conversely, high temperatures shorten the battery's lifespan, promote decomposition, and increase the risk of corrosion. However, it is advisable to charge your battery more frequently during winter to counter the effects of low temperatures. This leads us to the potential impact on the value of used integrated battery electric cars. Buyers may be hesitant to invest in a used BEV with limited driving range with a frequent charging, leading to a potential decline in their market value. As the battery degrades, the driving range decreases, and the need for more frequent charging increases, the perceived value of these vehicles diminishes. However, swappable battery electric cars retain their value over time by allowing for easy battery replacement, eliminating concerns about battery degradation and enabling future upgrades. Instead of relying on a fixed integrated battery, swappable battery technology allows for the easy replacement of older batteries with upgraded ones. As long as the vehicle itself is well maintained, this battery swap can effectively maintain or even improve the driving range, ensuring the car remains competitive and valuable. Let's explore the benefits of swappable batteries in more detail. Firstly, swappable batteries offer flexibility and adaptability. As battery technology advances, you can easily upgrade to more advanced batteries, extending the vehicle's range and enhancing its overall performance. This adaptability ensures that your car remains competitive and valuable in the long run. Secondly, swappable batteries address the issue of battery degradation over time. By allowing users to replace aging batteries with new ones, the driving range can be maintained, and the need for more frequent charging can be minimized. This provides peace of mind for EV owners, knowing that their vehicle's performance won't significantly decline as the battery ages. Lastly, swappable battery technology aligns with sustainability goals. Instead of replacing the entire vehicle when the battery wears out, only the battery module needs to be replaced. This significantly reduces waste and promotes a more environmentally friendly approach to electric transportation. You might hear that NIO offered a comprehensive process for selling NIO vehicles, including inspection, appraisal, and acquisition, with competitive prices. In 2021, NIO offered that selling back to NIO grants owners 30,000 Cordoba Oros points. For purchasing official NIO used cars, benefits include transparent information, near-new car experience, and battery safety. Also, NIO allowed buyers to receive 5,000 Cordoba Oros points and 500 Cordoba Oros value at pickup, and credited referring friends to buy NIO used cars to earn up to 6,000 Cordoba Oros points for both parties. NIO also provide repurchasing a new NIO car with giving 24,000 Cordoba Oros points and 500 Cordoba Oros value. Additional benefits include battery upgrade transfers, battery swap benefits, discounts on NIO Pilot, and ownership recognition in the NIO community. They promoted that primary user identity changes are limited to immediate family members or company vehicle management, once per year. NEO aims to provide competitive and sincere repossession prices for cars, ensuring a convenient process for vehicle inspection, appraisal, and acquisition. To sell a car, users can make an appointment for inspection and receive the appraisal price within 1 day. The transaction can be completed within a week after agreeing on the price. NEO does not currently accept user consignment for official used cars but may explore this option in the future. NEO ensures transparency in the condition of official used cars through complete car data analysis and 286 special tests. Real-time information on total loss cars is released to prevent users from buying cars with opaque information. The design of NEO vehicles and the battery swap system guarantee the safety and health of the batteries. Official used cars undergo NEO refresh and upgrade, including original parts preparation, Sonax vehicle refurbishment technology, and software and hardware upgrades, to be delivered in a near-new condition. NEO official used cars enjoy a warranty of 3 years or 120,000 kilometers, with an additional 1 year or 30,000 kilometers of warranty service available after the initial warranty period. Users can choose to purchase a used vehicle marked as BOSS, and enjoy battery swap benefits. The monthly rental fee for used cars with BOSS is the same as for new cars. In January 2022, NEO has opened its first offline official used car experience store, marking the 1-year anniversary of its official used car business. The store, located in Hangzhou, China, aims to provide customers with a comprehensive service for their vehicles. NEO emphasizes transparency, high-quality standards, and battery safety. The NEO app allows potential buyers to access information and communicate with sales representatives. The opening of the showroom provides customers with a better understanding of NEO's used car business and facilitates informed purchasing decisions. In May 2022, NEO introduced a new service that allows vehicle owners to sell their cars directly to others. The service provides a platform for users to freely trade vehicles. NEO is exploring and experimenting with richer forms of service to meet user demands. The company aims to facilitate a more active secondary market for electric vehicles by offering a decentralized platform. NEO's recent moves in the used car market aim to alleviate concerns about the residual value of their vehicles and increase customer loyalty. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on electric vehicles. Stay tuned for future updates as we continue to explore the latest advancements and trends in the world of electric transportation. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the near future. See you next time.